actually here with some good news.
Yay!
Yeah, we actually have a gift from the, it's the Leo and Ann Albert Charitable Trust. And this was 2 years in the making. So 2 years ago, we took a little trip down to Florida to present some preliminary data on cranberries and how they work to inhibit colon cancer in a mouse model. So 2 years later, we actually have received some support for this research to continue and expand this research. So the initial research was conducted between myself and Hong Shao at UMass Amherst. And the data was very promising, but we didn't have any further funding to, continue the work or press further to see, whether this could be extended to other animal models or look at mechanisms of action, or potentially whether this could be extended to a human model, clinical. So now we have some funding in place, and we've put together a team to look at various aspects of cranberries and colon health. One of the things that came out of our initial data was that the whole cranberry powder is very effective, more so than any of the extracts that just contain individual compounds. So we think it's important to look at the whole cranberry as a source of reducing inflammation in the colon. The anti-inflammatory bit is important because it pertains to other diseases as well, not just cancer, but also colitis, potentially Crohn's disease. So there could be, further research that grows from this in terms of cranberry's ability to impact not only cancer, but other conditions that are becoming more and more common. So what we've done is we've put together a multidisciplinary team. So I'm a chemist, so my job is mainly to study the cranberry chemistry. But Hong Shao is a member of our team. He's at the Department of Food Science, and he has quite a bit of experience in running appropriate animal models to look at the dietary components and how they inhibit cancer and inflammation. We also have a couple of new researchers on board. Vani Bucci, who is a microbiologist, a computational microbiologist at UMass Dartmouth. And he was really interested in getting involved in this for quite some time because he has some ideas about how cranberry can interact with the gut microbial population and how that impacts the immune system, the tissues, etc. So we didn't have any money to entice his participation until now, so we're very excited to have him on board as well. And then we are also working with members of the bioengineering department at UMass Dartmouth to look at potentially how we might deliver some of these compounds more effectively to different parts of the body, so to more effectively target cancers.